I'm going to do a review about Bara Bara Hotel. So I'm just going to give you some facts about it. You can say hi, you're in my video.
Hi.
This is our room. Got a twin bed right there. This is the wall. I don't know why I love this wall. Like, simple and unique, but cute. Look at the ceiling fan. There's a little place. This is what you call minimalistic, but honestly, this is all I need. And it has AC. This is cute. Like, I love stuff like this. I love it. And y'all, I'm just happy we got some AC. Very important. So welcome, Tiffany. Here's our bed. This is the third place that I moved, so I feel like I'm experiencing all the rooms. There's a place to, I guess, store your stuff, refrigerator, safety, coffee if you want, which I don't drink coffee. I always like the little touches of decoration. Here is a desk that I can do my work and potentially look out into the garden, but it's dark so you can't see anything. This is our bed, our bathroom. I like the little touches on the wall. And sink, toilet, towels, and the shower. Now tell me, which one do you guys like? I do not prefer the top shower because I just feel like if I stand underneath it, my hair will get wet. So I actually prefer this portion of the shower, but maybe if you're, maybe if you like to wash your hair every day, that would be great for you. But since I don't, I prefer this one. So room review, we are at the hotel. I've switched rooms, so this is my bed. It looks like they have a port down here, which is nice. This is like a cubby hole. You can put a place for all your little stuff, the safety, lock, and then you have stuff where you can hang up. I never take all my stuff out, so I won't be utilizing that. Full in mirror, hey. And this is cool. You have your own little kitchen. Well, at least burners. Coffee pot, and dishes and stuff like that. And this is cool, having your own water station, which is nice. It's so hot. And this is a fridge, and this is multifunctional. This is a little desk where I can get on the computer. This is great. And then here's the lens from here. I love the little artwork they put in the room. This is the sliding door to the bathroom. This is our sink. I love the little soaps that they put in here. And shower. Yeah. So there's the room. So let's start off with the location. So it is located in Paje, and that's also in Zanzibar. It's a little small town, which I actually really enjoyed. So Bara Bara is kind of, I would say, at the end of the road. But even though it's at the end of the road, it's still a very walkable place. So even when I walked into town, quote unquote, it still takes about maybe a 10-15 minute walk down the road back to Bara Bara. And if you don't want to walk, you can always take a motorcycle to get back down the road if you don't feel uncomfortable, but it's very safe. The other thing is the cost. Okay, so I really love this boutique hotel because of the cost. Okay, So you're looking at something like under 40 bucks, which was great, especially since I was staying there for a month. And so there are at least 3 or 4 different rooms, but there's only 8 rooms, so it's very, very small. But as you can see, the different rooms get bigger and bigger and bigger. So they're going to be a little bit more expensive in the cost because of what they provide, right? So I was actually cool with any one of the rooms. Like the small room was cool. That's the one I first went into. Then I went into a bigger room and then another bigger room. So of course, I mean, who doesn't like space? So I like the big one for the space, but at the same time, I'm also cool with being in the smaller room for a cheaper price as well. Another cool thing about the location is that if you like vegan food, you'll love Bara Bara, because they actually have a vegan cafe upstairs. And I'm not a vegan eater, so I actually only ate there one time, and that was for breakfast. I had pancakes. And the other cool thing about it is not only is it a cafe, it's actually a co-working space. So if you don't want to sit in your room or you need work to do, just go upstairs. There's Wi-Fi, there's fans, and then of course you can order something. So almost like a coffee shop, right? Except for they have juices and, you know, food and all that kind of stuff. I heard the pizza is really good, although I didn't get a chance to try the pizza. So another thing that I really enjoyed was the staff. Like the staff was awesome. The cleaning crew cleaned very well. I never felt like it was dirty. Like I thought they did really well. Also, if you want to wash your clothes for a price, they can wash their clothes. And another thing I also like was the staff at the cafe, very, very welcoming. And oh, that's another thing, when you first come, they offer you a welcome drink. So they will offer coconut water. I'm not a big coconut water person, so I was like, can I have, you know, a soda? And they offered that as well. Another staff that was very helpful was the security guards. So I remember the first night, so random. There's a place that I stayed at next door, and the security guard helped me over there. And so because he helped me over there, when I actually finally went to Bara Bara, like he was so helpful. Actually, both of the security guards were helping me move my luggage, or literally if I'm like, hey, I want to find something to eat, like when the security guards walk with me down the street to find a restaurant. So when I say very, very helpful, very, very helpful, which is what I can appreciate. So some people may ask, how do we book this location? So I found it off of Airbnb. And then once I found it off of Airbnb, when I continued to stay there over time, then I would just WhatsApp them and be like, hey, can I book a room for 2 nights, 3 nights? And then we would communicate that way. So I feel like that was super cool, because sometimes you don't want to go through the platform and do all of that. And then the other thing, I kind of talked about the rooms a little bit, but I just love the decor. It was like cute little like details, like in the shower, or the art on the wall, or one day they made my name on the bed. So like little stuff like that that I enjoy. And the biggest thing is that AC, y'all. There's AC and fans in there, and they had a backup generator. So oftentimes I would like go out at night and it's completely dark, and I would forget that there was lights off, because at Bara Bara we had lights on. So that was super cool. And the AC is very needed because it is hot in Zanzibar, y'all. So when you walking down the street and you come inside, you want some fresh air. So it's really, really nice to have that. And one of the other things that I say that I actually love was they offered water, y'all. Now you say, that's not a big deal, I can go get my own water. No, it's a big deal when it's hot. And two, when you want to save money. So before I left for the day, I could fill my water jug up. And then when I came back in for the night, I can also fill it up. So it definitely saved money, because you're drinking a lot of water because of the weather. So they have a water tank on the outside for the smaller rooms. And then if you're in the bigger room, they actually have your own full water tank in there, which I thought was super, super cool. So definitely love that. So for me, if you are ever in Paje, definitely check out Bara Bara. that's going to be my go-to place. I'm telling you my secret, but it's okay because I'm not going to go back until next year. So y'all can have it for now, but definitely check it out. I think it's a great spot. And in addition to that, the beach is very close. I forgot to mention that. The beach is very walkable. It's close by. And again, if you don't like vegan food, there is restaurants that are in walking distance and things to do as well. So definitely in Paje, check out Bara Bara. All right. Hope you enjoy it.